Hey, I'm back with another mukbang, and as y'all can see, today we got some more Subway. Now y'all know I love Subway, and it's another one of my favorite subs, but I have not had it in forever. So let's get started. Now, like I said, I have not had this sub in a while, and this is the steak and cheese on flatbread. It's part of a series. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but again, it's steak and cheese on flatbread. So get the flatbread. I got pepper jack cheese on here, and I loaded it with veggies. Yeah, y'all get into it. First bite, friend. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all. So like I was saying, it's steak on here. I got double steak and double cheese, and for my cheese I chose the pepper jack cheese. Superior. Steak with pepper jack cheese, the best. Mm-hmm. Ooh, baby, that jalapeno. Like I said, loaded it up on veggies. So I got my usuals. I got lettuce, I got spinach, a whole lot of black olives, because I love my black olives on my subs. I got green pepper. I got a couple slithers of the red onion, banana peppers, jalapenos, pickles. And then I think that's about sums it up. And again, the sub is toasted. Gotta get that cheese nice and melty. You wanna try out the steak and cheese? Baby, you missing out. Now, normally I have a bag of chips with my subs, but this is pretty fulfilling on its own because, like I said, it does have double meat in it. And for my drink today, I know. I didn't want any ginger ale. No ginger ale today. I just got some plain old water. I don't even like cold water like that, but y'all ever have a cold glass of water that was like so refreshing and delicious, and it's just like, oh, God's creation. Water. Like, can y'all see how stuffed it is with meat in there? I ain't gonna lie. I am one of those people who side eye others when they say that they don't like water. What you mean you don't like water? You don't like water? Like, one of the basic things on earth, you don't like water? If you don't like water, I can't trust you. And if you say all water tastes alike, I still don't trust you. Cause nah. Mm-mm. All water is not made the same, so all water does not taste the same. Definitely one of them people that's gonna side eye you, cause what you doing? We need water to live, and you don't like water at all. Like, of all the different types of water, you ain't found one that you like. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, the jalapeno hot. I don't care. I don't care if you gotta put one of them mix-ins into the water. You better drink some water. I can't stand when I see people drinking 5, 6, 7, 11 sodas and juice all day. Like, I just know your bathroom be on 10 when you go pee. Just smelling like straight piss. Like, you heathen. Some of my favorite waters, of course, is the Ice Mountain. Ice Mountain is more of like a Midwest northern type of water, so. But every year we go up to Milwaukee, we drive, I'm bringing back 5 to 6 cases of Ice Mountain water. That Ice Mountain do something to you. I love Ice Mountain. I love Fiji. I love Voss. Those are like my top 3. My top 3 waters that I like. Voss, Fiji, and Ice Mountain. What's your favorite types of water? You know, for those that drink water. I'm not convinced that people don't like water. It just has to be the type. Because people down here in Texas like that Ozarka. Baby, that Ozarka tastes like all types of added chemicals and additives that they had to add to the water. I don't care for Ozarka. I know a lot of people don't like tap water, depending on where they stay. Remember, you might just have to get you a water filter. Like, literally invest in a water filter, or you might need a water softener, because it is hard water. The water is hard down here in the south. Got me drying out quickly. Invest in a water filter. It might be the best thing for you. I'm telling you. Water. Smooth. There are some other waters that I can tolerate, but I don't particularly like. Like Nestle. Great value. To be honest, all the generic store brands are kind of all the same water, just with a different label on it for their store brand. So like Great Value, Kirkland, or the Target brand, like they're all the same water, they just have a different label on it. My mama drinks Aquafina, y'all. Yes. The disrespect. Like, girl, if you don't buy some Ice Mountain, she like that nasty Aquafina. The Sunny nasty too, y'all, low key. Nasty. I'm glad that's the end of it, because I am getting full. I'm satisfied. Last bite, y'all. Y'all, I'm satisfied. I'm ready to conquer the rest of my day. I'm ready. Oh, excuse me. But without further ado, make sure y'all drink y'all water today. Stay hydrated. And that's all she wrote. So without further ado, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.